In the 4th episode of Cooking with the Crazy Chef, I showed you how to make my delicious cheeseburgers. Well, now today, in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a family favorite meal, steak burger sauteed with mushrooms. This is a nice option if you're trying to cut carbs or you don't have hamburger buns readily available. Now let's cook! So for this recipe, you'll need ground beef. I'm using lean ground chuck 80/20. We also have dollar store mushrooms. You can have them jarred or fresh. We have McCormick Montreal steak seasoning. And then we have a cheese of your choice. The cheeses we're going to use today are American and Colby Jack cheese. So, first thing is, we're going to take a scale. You know, any standard kitchen scale. We're going to turn it on with a plate on it. That way you don't, contaminate the food or whatever. It's got to be clean plate. And for what I make my mother and my sister, I use 4 ounces of meat. And for me and my dad, I use 6 ounces of meat. So what you're going to do is you're going to weigh it out. So we got an even 6 ounces. So what then you're going to do is you're going to take up the ground beef into your hand, okay? You're going to make sure you grab all of it. And then you're just going to squish it into a ball. This way, the meat does not come apart while you're cooking it. This is very effective because when I used to not squish the meat, my patties would always fall apart. And then usually when I'm done with that, I'll go over to our frying pan and I will put it into the pan and squish it down. Kind of shape it into a circle while you're squishing it down. You want it considerably flat, but you also want it to have a little height. Then we go on to the next one until you have all the steak patties you need. Okay, so now it's time for our taste test. So let's cut it into the steak burger. Some of the cheese on there. Nicely cooked meat. And dip it in some ketchup. It's cooked really well to what I like. And the sauteed mushrooms, they absorb the burger's flavor, so they really taste good with the burger too. So here you have it. It's a wonderful steak burger recipe straight from my home kitchen to yours that I can guarantee your kids will 90% like. It's Crazy Chef signing off.